Hi there. So I started recording the audiobook version of my newest book, which is called Unstuck. I don't even have it yet, but I want to show you just a picture. I printed out a picture of the cover, and it's for practitioners to predictably help people move through betrayal. And that's all we do in our certification. There are 5 proven predictable stages. What I certify coaches and practitioners in is moving people through the stages. Most people get stuck in stage 3. Anyway, I was recording this section yesterday about the 4 areas of trust that get shattered. And this is what's so interesting. When trust gets shattered, usually someone will go see a coach or practitioner or therapist or counselor and be like, should I stay? Should I go? Can I trust them again? Can I not trust them again? And the truth is, rebuilding trust with the betrayer is the last piece of trust that needs to be rebuilt. And in the book, I talk all about how this is so confirmed, because when you think about it, you've lost trust in yourself. You've lost trust in your ability to discern who is trustworthy. You've lost the ability to feel safe and trust in reality, because what the mind does is it gathers all this data, and it's like, okay, you know what? Because of all the data I accumulated over the years, over the decades, whatever, I've determined this person is safe. So then when that person betrays you, your whole model for what you've created blows up. So it's not even like with another trauma where, let's say you're in an accident or whatever, and it's like, wow, driving can be dangerous. Or there's a natural disaster, and it's like, wow, fires happen, or something like this. Those are outside circumstances. With betrayal, it's an inside thing, because you don't even trust your own self now, because your model of calibrating what's safe and what's not, you look at it like it is fundamentally flawed. So that whole thing has to be rebuilt. Now think about it. So it's like, even with people that I've worked with, so many clients over the years, where they're like, well, is it safe to trust this new person? Should I start dating again? And then I'll stop them and I'll say, you don't even know how to calibrate if someone is trustworthy or not, because that has to be completely and totally rebuilt. So I'm saying this for 2 reasons. Number one, if you're working with someone who's saying, okay, well, let's figure out, and if a person's safe to trust, start small, start with someone, a friend, or with something little. Again, that's one of the last places we need to start rebuilding trust. It starts with ourselves. So here's what I really want you to do. When you're working with someone, check and see, are they PBT certified? Because if they're not, you may be, and this, if you've been betrayed and you've been trying to work on this, healing this betrayal, healing this issue, and you're talking about the same thing for years, decades, that's an issue. It really is. There are 5 stages that you can move through, and it is proven, it is predictable. I'm not just winging it here. I did it myself. It's research-based. Every coach and practitioner I certify, they've moved through the 5 stages themselves very often. It's a coach or practitioner. They've been betrayed. They go through it and they're like, oh my gosh. And then they can't help it but want to share it with others. Anyway, all of this to say, trusting in the betrayer is the last piece of this in order to rebuild trust. Trust in yourself, trust in your discernment in reality. That has to happen way before you trust in another or the betrayer. So hope that helps. The book is pre-launching February 20th, but you want to go to thepbtinstitute.com/unstuck. I have created the most incredible bonuses. If you are a coach or practitioner, this is the missing piece. It's been missing in your training. It's not taught in coaching curriculums. It's not taught in therapy. It's not taught in anything. And I am here to change all of that. So I hope this helps, whether you are that person who's been betrayed and you're wondering, why am I still struggling so much? If you're that coach or practitioner who wants to be so much more equipped when these clients come your way, because here's the reality, they're coming your way anyway. So whether they're coming to you for something else, and let's say they're coming to you, you're a business coach, and they're coming to you for confidence, good chance they've been betrayed. So whether you want to be just more equipped for the clients who come your way, whether they're coming to you for betrayal or not, good chance a portion of them have been betrayed in the background. Either way, you want to be so much more well-equipped. This book, the certification, all of it's going to help you so much. So I hope this helps. Unstuck, coming out soon. Very, very exciting.